Welcome to Concord Marine Electronics. Today, we're exploring how Fusion Marine audio systems can elevate your onboard experience. Imagine crystal clear sound filling your yacht, whether you're hosting a lively party, enjoying a quiet evening, or powering through a workout with your favorite playlist. Fusion Marine audio systems deliver exceptional audio quality, engineered specifically for marine environments. With advanced features like digital signal processing, DSP, Fusion systems optimize sound based on your yacht's unique acoustics. This ensures consistent, high-performance audio throughout every area, from the open deck to the cozy cabin. Durability is key in marine environments, and Fusion's true marine design is built to withstand UV rays, salt, and water exposure. You can count on these systems to deliver reliable performance, no matter the conditions. Fusion also offers seamless multi-zone audio integration, allowing you to control sound in different areas of your yacht. Whether it's the party zone on the deck or a relaxing vibe in the cabin, Bluetooth, USB, and NMEA 2000 compatibility make managing your system easy and intuitive. At Concord Marine Electronics, we handle the entire installation process. Our expert technicians ensure your Fusion system integrates perfectly with your yacht's electronics, delivering a sleek, hassle-free setup. Plus, we offer proactive maintenance services to keep your system running flawlessly. Upgrade your yacht's sound system today and experience the difference. Contact Concord Marine Electronics to get started and bring the ultimate audio experience to your vessel.